So I wanted to answer this question. They said third party is the girlfriend or boyfriend or fling of your SP, right? Why do people then still persist in manifesting that SP if that person is with someone else? So you have to realize that you are the creator of your reality. You created this third party with your thoughts. Everyone and everything is a reflection of your subconscious mind. So how did you create this third party? Well, you either had limiting beliefs going on that say, I'm not worthy, I'm not deserving, I'm not chosen, or you just had a belief about that particular person that they're going to go and date somebody else, that they want other people over you. So then what's going to happen is that person is going to go and date someone else to show you what's still dominant in your subconscious mind. So since this is your reality, you're the operant power of your reality, you're not fringing upon anybody's free will because this is your reality. In their reality, they can go and do whatever they want, but in your reality, you get to control what happens in your life. So once you work on those limiting beliefs going on within you that made you not feel chosen in the first place, and then you start putting yourself on the pedestal and you realize that you are the number one choice, nobody compares to you, and you take your attention away from the third party completely, then they have to leave your experience because everyone and everything is a reflection of your subconscious mind. Follow me for more tips.